Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome tabs from automatically refreshing. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu button. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and performs. The Settings page is your control center for everything related to Chrome's functionality and features. Once you're in the Settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with several different categories. From this list, click on Performance. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Chrome uses your computer's resources and handles your browsing tabs. Now, within the performance settings, you'll see a section labeled Memory. This area controls how Chrome manages your system's memory when you have multiple tabs open. It's an important feature for optimizing browser performance, but it can also cause unwanted tab refreshing. Under the Memory section, you'll find an option called Memory Saver. This feature is designed to free up memory by automatically putting inactive tabs to sleep, which causes them to refresh when you return to them. While this can be helpful for system performance, it's exactly what's causing your tabs to automatically refresh. Next to the Memory Saver option, you'll see a toggle button. Simply click on this toggle to turn the Memory Saver feature off. Once you disable it, Chrome will stop automatically putting your tabs to sleep and refreshing them when you switch back. Your tabs will now stay active and retain their state even when you're not actively viewing them. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the feature that was causing your Chrome tabs to automatically refresh. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.